Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back on I-29 after a detour through Sioux Falls. We're in South Dakota heading north in Minnehaha County, beginning midway through mile 84. Exit 86 leads to the unincorporated community of Renner to the east and a small city of Crooks to the west. Crooks, originally called New Hope, was renamed for local politician W.A. Crooks in 1904. Crooks had an estimated population of 1,327 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 94 provides access to the city of Baltic to the east and Colton to the west. Baltic is on the Big Sioux River, which at this point is no longer the eastern border of South Dakota, only a mile and a half off of I-29. Colton started with a creamery in 1897 founded by J.E. Colton. Other businesses started to form around the creamery, creating a main street. In 1901, the founders started a newspaper called the Colton Courier that stayed in place for years. In 2019, Colton had an estimated population of 669. Exit 98 connects to the city of Dell Rapids with a population of 3,628. Dell Rapids is known as the little city with the big attractions. In 1888, a fire broke out on Main Street and most of the downtown area was destroyed. The fire was devastating to the community, and to guarantee it wouldn't happen again, the city passed an ordinance requiring downtown buildings to be, quote, built of durable construction. The buildings were rebuilt out of red Sioux quartzite from local quarries. The community celebrates its heritage with the annual Quarry Days in July, and in June, the city hosts Cootie Days, where rides and games are set up and available in the city's park. We enter Moody County, named for Gideon Curtis Moody, an American senator from South Dakota. The county had an estimated population of 6,575 as of 2019. Exit 104 leads east to the town of Trent on the Big Sioux River with a population of 230. Trent resident Jim Lacey is known for his collection of barns. Real barns, not something you display on the mantelpiece. He has 11 of them, neatly situated on his farm. On display inside the barns are antique tractors and other farming equipment, appliances, gas pumps, and a collection of nearly 7,200 hats. Visitors are welcome and antiques are sold on site. At exit 109, South Dakota Highway 34 crosses leading to the towns of Madison and Coleman. We conclude this video here at mile 110. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.